Hi friends, welcome back. So today we are going to ride with our friends John and Pragya.
Hello, Charlie.
On the first traffic signal, a gang of Harleys caught up and for a while we rode with them. कुछ तो गिरा. So once we exited the city, we had a high-speed run till Shulagiri. From there we found out that there are two options to go. So out of the two, we decided to go with the first and return on the other way. So we entered Shulagiri city. The time was around 7:30 a.m. and I think it's too early to go and buy groceries. The route is a very scenic one and you go through a lot of fields, greenery everywhere and very small villages. There's hardly any shop here, so it's better to get something for the road. Also, a lot of speed bumps are there, so you have to be very careful with your low ground clearance rides. But all this pays up because the views are just amazing. After spending around 30-40 minutes on the small roads, we found a small stretch of state highway, I think. As our speeds increased, the distance just finished and we were again back on the small route. The next thing you know is the last 10-15 kilometers, and this section is completely different. It is almost empty, no traffic. You just feel like you're at peace. Just want to ride quite slowly, enjoying the views. We could see our destination from here. So we stopped, clicked a few pictures, and then continued towards the destination. After this checkpost, the weather became quite chilly. Pragya was just having fun and enjoying the ride. There is only one shop in the last 15 kilometers, I think, and you can get water, chips, biscuits, and that stuff. Again, it was time to click a few pictures. While clicking, Priya asked me if she could ride, and I was not sure if she could, but it happened. I thought the last stretch would be fun for cornering, but it was not so. The hairpin bends were cemented and there was a lot of gravel on the road, so it is advisable not to go too fast. This is the top and you have to park your vehicles here and then take a climb for like 5-10 minutes, depends how fast you can do it. Small graffiti hut on the right is the current temple and this seems to be the new one. There is also a chariot that is used during Shiva festivals like Shivaratri. The view from here is just breathtaking and I hope from the top it will be even better. So we started climbing and let's see what we find at the top. There's a big steel Shivling at the top, and I think one place to light up fire as well. Just behind there's also a Shivling where some puja has been done. The next thing was to find a spot where we could sit, and Pragya has some kheer in this bag. So this is our place. After enjoying the delicious kheer, it was time to click some pictures again. And this is going to be our next spot. Standing at the edge and watching this view is something I've never done before, and it was amazing. A few more shots just before heading down. After spending around 1.5 hours at the top, it was time to go back. The time was around 11 or 11:30, and there was some puja going on at the Shiva temple. So that was it, and we headed back to Bangalore. There was another concern about rain, as it was drizzling a bit while we were coming, and the same thing happened once we came down the mountain. The second route was a bit better, but there was some traffic, and we took a bypass from the Krishnagiri town. The small patch was better. We got to have some fun. After 10-15 minutes from here, we reached Krishnagiri Bangalore highway. No matter what we did, we got stuck in a little bit of light rain, and it happened for a while, but after Hosur it stopped, and we reached home dry at around 1 p.m. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Bye and keep safe.